Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to underline text in a text box using Adobe Acrobat Word DC. This is my text box. I'll underline this text. Go this tools option and scroll down. Here we will find this comment option. Select. Now double click on this text box and drag your mouse and select a specific text. And here we will find this underline option. So select underline and see this text underline. I'll underline this text also. Underline. Also I'll underline this text. See this. And if you want to underline all of this text, press Ctrl F on your keyboard, select all of this text and simply press underline and see this. And finally select close and click file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.